are finally able to put brakes on the bike. I have to replace the fork tubes, but front brakes. I have a different lever coming in that has a brake switch, so I'll have a brake attached straight to my, or brake light attached straight to my brake. So now I gotta get ready to disassemble all this. See you in a second. So I'm figuring out why it won't go in. Stop these these forks have this cutout notch at the top. This one doesn't. Doesn't seem to. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get rid of the notch either on the fork or I'm gonna have to cut one. That's why the stinking thing won't zip up. See if I can bend it.
Me?
Yeah.
You're recording me?
Yep.
Why? So if I flash them, they won't see it?
Yeah, that might be bad. This is all going to be in the video, by the way. All of it.
Is this coming off too?
Nope. It doesn't have holes for that. Alright.
Do you need it?
Huh?
Do you need this?
I'll figure out a way to put it back on, I
Or
guess.
do you need these?
No, I need brakes.
Okay, bro.
Okay. So I'm going to put these forks on as much as I can, but the hole for this is deeper than the hole for this guy, so the original bolts aren't going to work. I need longer bolts, but I'm going to try and get everything else up on here, and then I'll eventually get longer bolts. Hopefully I remember to do that before I ride the bike. I also got a brake lever with wires so I can have a brake light that isn't operated by a separate button. I don't have to think about it. Let's go. so see, I'm out now. The brake light's working again with the new brake lever. Dang it. There we go. That makes me happy. And now I actually have wires for a horn if I want to install a horn on here. So this won't work without a 12-volt power supply. Or, something close to it. Because when I was trying to wire it up using this system, which only uses one battery, nothing. But if I hook it up to my bump box, plenty of power. Then. Super bright. Also, it has automatic flash. Which means I'm gonna have to make a 12-volt system. I have, I know how to make it here. I wonder, so all I'd have to do is disconnect these two batteries, and change that end out for a connector like that, which I think I have somewhere. I got her all wired up. Let me just give me a minute. Okay. Get the backlights on. We got the brake. Alright, we got your running lights up here. The running lights are installed with the rear running light. We got our turn signals. So that's, wait, no, the switch is flipped upside down. So that's the right light, and it blinks up front. Don't blink in the back. Go left, and it blinks, and that switches back over. And then we got the left, and then brake. Oh wait, no. Okay, so we got it all buttoned up. You can see those daylight running lights, or daytime running lights, are stupid bright. The bike looks really good though. The adhesive for these lights was crapped, so I super glued them. I really hope I don't have to remove these fork tubes ever. I got the tachometer back on, even though it reads like crap. got everything's working now. Again, I'll show you brakes. We have a left turn signal. Our back to center right turn signal. So it's all good. It's got all its lights now. And we got brakes. Now that I have brakes, I need to test them. So I'm going to do a roll test. See if it stops. I'm not going to start the engine right now because I am wearing flip-flops. So I'm just going to see if it stops rolling down the hill. Never mind! I got shoes on now. It's been 2 days later, and I got mirrors. And Bonnie's barking at me. We put mirrors on the bike. We put a NGK spark plug on here. I did an original roll test, and the brakes sucked, so I readjusted the brakes, and now they work way better. So I'm going to show you me riding the bike at as fast as it goes now, which is about 30 miles an hour, and stopping. It'll be better than the other clip I just took. Stops. It works. The brakes do work better. I don't know if you could really see it, but that's it. This.
Anywhere you go.